Now into tabletop. Now we're gonna work on our arm strength here. So we're gonna do supported staff pose to plank instead of the full chaturanga or staff pose. Now your knees remain on the ground, tuck your toes, or you can have your toes pressing down. Now from here, palms pressing down into the mat, bring your shoulders over your wrists. Knees hip distance apart. With an exhalation, bend your elbows, make sure it's locked in so it's not falling out. Bend your elbows, come down halfway. Inhale, lift back up. We'll do a few rounds of this working on just our arms. Inhale, exhale, bend your elbows, make sure your shoulders over your wrists. Inhale, lift up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. You don't have to go all the way down, just go halfway. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Engage your core. Inhale up. Feel your arms, your triceps working. Exhale down. Inhale up. Keep going. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Now from here, if you can, tuck your toes, straighten your leg. Exhale down. Inhale, lift up. Core engage. Exhale down. Inhale up. You can use your knees to support. Exhale down. Inhale up. 2 more. Exhale, bring your shoulders over your wrists. Inhale, lift up. 1 more. Very good. Exhale. Inhale up. Sit on your heels. Take a moment here. Normalize your breathing. Shake your hands. Shake it off. We'll be doing a few rounds of this, so you want to make sure that you don't overstrain your arms. Roll your shoulders back and front, lifting it up. Exhale down. Inhale and exhale. Normalize your breathing here. This is a great way to tone your arms and work on those triceps. Anti-clockwise, the other way around. And then once you're ready, come back onto tabletop again. Let's go for 10. So fingers spread open, right under your shoulders. Knees hip distance apart. Now lean forward. Engage your core and let's go. Exhale down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. We are halfway there, 5 more. Exhale down, inhale up, exhale, inhale. Now if you're strong enough, you can go ahead and straighten your leg and do it. Last 3. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale, last 1. Try to straighten your leg if you can. Exhale, bend your elbows. Inhale, lift up. Bend your knees, sit on your heels. Shake it off. We'll do 2 more sets of this. Great way to work on arm strength. Roll your shoulders. You can have your fingertips on your shoulders and just roll it in a circle as you raise your elbows up from the front, exhaling out to the back. And then move it in the other direction as well. Normalize your breathing here. Let's get ready for the next one. 2 more sets to go, 10 of each. Come back onto tabletop. Fingers spread open, pressing down into the mat. Lean forward. Inhale. Exhale down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale down. Make sure your elbows are locked in and it's not out. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Halfway. 5 more. Let's go. Exhale. Inhale, lift. Exhale. Inhale, lift. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Last one. Straighten your leg. Exhale. Bend your elbows. Inhale up. Knees down. Sit on your heels. Shake it off. Last set to go. Only 10, we can do it. Now if you're more confident and you think you have stronger arms, go ahead and straighten your leg. Otherwise, you can still go with the supported knees on the ground. And the last set here. Palms pressing down into the mat. Lean forward, inhale with an exhalation. Exhale down halfway, inhale, lift up. Exhale down, inhale up. Exhale down, inhale up. Exhale down, inhale up. Exhale, inhale, halfway, 5 more. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Last 2, exhale, inhale. Now go ahead and straighten your leg for the last one. Push yourself, exhale, inhale, lift up, knees down. Sit on your heels. Well done. Shake it off. Now you want to ease the tension from your shoulders here. So bring your right hand up and your left hand locked with your elbow. Stretch the right side, look towards the right. Slowly release, switch to the other side, bringing your left hand up. Lock with your right elbow, look to the opposite direction. Stretch your left arm here. Slowly release. Now bring your hands over your head, interlock your hands here. Lengthen your arms. Keep your shoulders straight and relaxed. Gently release down to the side. Now bring your right hand up. Bend your elbows, palms facing in. Use your left hand to keep pulling your elbows to the back of your head and just stretching it here. Slowly release. Switch to the other side, left hand up. Bend your elbows. Use your right hand to pull your elbow to the back of your head, just stretching it here. Slowly exhale, release. Sit on your mat. Lay down on your back.